Now that our sheet is buttered, we're going to take our carrots, place them here along our asparagus. And we're going to pour our lemon artichoke hearts over the top. We're going to go and cut half of our onion. Remove the outside part of the skin. And we're going to cut some rings. Separate out the center part. And then we're going to take our fennel, and our fennel is a lot like celery. We can just break off a stalk, and cut off both ends, and discard the leaves. Take our fennel in here on the bottom. Put our onion rings over the top. And then we're going to roast these for about 15 to 20 minutes.